Hi, my name is Jim Legacy. I'm the president of Orion Performance Compounds located here in Lugoff, South Carolina. So at Orion, we're a thermoplastics compounding company. So we make anything from polypropylene through up to high temperature resins like PEEK. And we service a bunch of different markets from everything from military, aerospace, electrical, healthcare industries with high performance plastic formulas. We're able to touch all kinds of markets. So one moment we might be making a part for a gun, so our customers buy polymer or resin from us, they shoot it into an injection mold and they make plastic parts. But then we could be doing a COVID test kit polymer the next day or an electrical enclosure polymer on Friday, right? So we always have a lot of variety. It's always very high-end applications that have a lot of stringent demands, and that's what keeps it fresh. It's always exciting. So cleanliness is very important to Orion. So we have a list of principles, and safety and cleanliness are right on the top of the list, right, of our core principles. Yesterday we had a potential customer come through. They got 50 feet outside the door to the plant, and they said this is the cleanest compounding operation they've seen, which is what we want to keep and what we want to do. So that also sets us apart from the competition. What's critical with Atlantic and obviously dust collection, that's the key to keeping the place clean, right? Because not only is it just dust, but some of the things that we use in our formulas also can stain and discolor things. So it's critical to keep that stuff out of the air.
My name is Phil Bramlett. I am the site manager for Orion Performance Compounds. Well, in our business, we put a lot of different materials together, and most, if not all, of those materials are dry. And they come in various forms, powders, granular materials, and outright pellets or larger chipped kind of component materials. So having a good dust collection system is vital to the operation of the plant. Atlantic was great. Like I said, those guys come out and help with the electronics, getting everything set up. You know, you have to plumb things just right to get your differential pressures and all the other things that go along with the clean out and the blowback and all of that. There are several name brands that everybody I think is familiar with. Some of those. Donaldson and some of the others, and they all provide fine products. They all have had drawbacks though. There have been some what I would call engineering problems and access problems with some of these different units. The unit that we have now, one of the reasons we chose that was to try to alleviate some of those problems. I was real impressed with their work, their quality of work, the finish touches they put on the unit. Some units you'll see just kind of bare minimum. CMAXX is it's the Cadillac of the dust collection units. It's got a really nice clean out unit. The bag house is interesting the way they've got that set up. You can pull those bags out easily and clean those. We do that quite a bit. So that was a big draw to being able to do that. And then the size of the unit too was nice.